In today's video, I want to reveal to you guys the same strategy that I used in 2021 to grow my affiliate marketing business from nothing to over 6 figures in just 8 months. And this strategy is around, it's gonna be here in 2022, and more people than ever are gonna jump on this and get started with their affiliate marketing businesses fast. What's going on, guys? I'm Josh Smith, AKA The Dadtrepreneur, and welcome back to the channel where I teach you guys how to create a lifestyle of wealth and freedom so you can spend time with the ones that you love and do things that you love doing with those people. And in today's video, the fastest way to do that, the best way I know how to do that, is affiliate marketing, okay? And for those of you real quick that don't know what affiliate marketing is, all that we are doing is we are promoting somebody else's products or services in exchange for a commission. That is it. It is the fastest growing industry on the internet right now, and more than 86% of companies out there now on the internet offer an affiliate program. I expect that number to be closer to 99.999% before the end of 2022. Affiliate marketing is here to stay. It is not going anywhere, and it is just set to explode in 2022. And I know you all are sick of seeing all these different strategies out there, different ways to promote affiliate offers on Pinterest, on TikTok, on YouTube, running paid ads, okay? What this strategy is not it's not something you're going to need to have a large time commitment. It's not something you are going to need to have a large budget and spend money on ads like a lot of affiliate marketing training out there teaches. They teach landing page to affiliate offer, and you just throw a ton of money at it. And you got to learn Facebook ads, you got to learn YouTube ads, and blah, 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 blah. This strategy is not it, okay? This is not gonna be one of those fancy, complicated things that you see on those TikTok videos that go mega viral, that here's the steps to do this, 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 and this. I'm gonna show you guys today. It's gonna be short, it's gonna be sweet, it's gonna be simple, because in reality, if you keep this thing called affiliate marketing simple, you are going to be very, very effective, and you can start a business from nothing without spending nearly any money, right? No money on ads, nothing like that. And you can grow a long-term sustainable affiliate marketing business fast in 2022. Okay, so let's talk about the exact strategy then. And here it is, guys. And it's very, very simple. Again, same strategy I used to grow my business, relaunch my affiliate marketing business in April of 2021. And as of this video, today is what, December 30th. We're about to go into 2022. I've been able to cross that 6-figure mark, and I'm about to hit 6 figures with one program specifically, and that is the core offer that I promote. And with that being said, let's get into the strategy, and it is what I just said, okay? You are going to find one core offer that you can promote. You're not gonna have to worry about finding, baby sleep miracle on the internet and a childhood reading offer over here and running different ads, doing all kinds of different things to different offers. You are going to focus on one offer and one offer alone. And then more importantly, here is the strategy, okay? It's worked for me. I've seen dozens of other people generate 6 figures alone in 2020 and then 2021 with this strategy, okay? And it's not going anywhere. You are going to pick one core offer. You are going to learn from that company, okay? So that company is gonna teach digital marketing strategy. They're gonna teach high income skills. They're gonna teach how to start a business online, okay? So you are going to learn from this company of exactly how to do that. And then all you are going to do is partner with that company and promote that company, okay? So this does a couple of things here, okay? It sounds super simple, super straightforward, and I know you might be like, what? How? Okay, so understand. I promote the 15-day challenge, and if you're interested in learning and partnering with them, I'll leave a link down in the description so you can get started with that challenge. You can learn a little bit more about what all this is, and again, you can partner with them and start promoting them as well, okay? So I'll use myself as an example. I learned from the 15-day challenge about the affiliate marketing business model. Not only did I learn that, okay, I learned high income skills like copywriting, funnel creation, email marketing, okay, lead generation. I've learned high income skills from that, okay? But I also learned about the affiliate marketing business model from them. So what I started doing immediately is I started reteaching the stuff that I was learning. I started sharing my journey on TikTok, on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you choose, okay? You're gonna find one company to partner with, okay? You are going to learn from them, and then you are just going to share your journey. It's so simple, guys. People overcomplicate this stuff. They think you need to go viral on TikTok. They think you need to do all this stuff. It's so simple, okay? Partner with one company who has a great offer that you've learned from, that you are continuing to learn from, and just share your journey, share your story, share the key things that you're learning, share the things that you're struggling with, share your wins, okay? And what's gonna happen is you're gonna build up an audience very quickly of people who are interested in the same thing. They're gonna ask you questions, they're gonna wanna know where they can learn more, and then boom, you're gonna refer them to the 15-day challenge, which is the same challenge you used to get started with that, okay? And if you've been following me for a while now, you probably heard me say something similar to this before. When people ask me how they can get started with affiliate marketing or learning, a side hustle digital marketing strategies, I say, hey, I don't have my own products or services, but I learned all this stuff from the 15-day challenge. I've been able to have awesome success because of the training and the things that I've learned. Okay, here's how you can get started with the 15-day challenge too. Okay, so there you have it. That is literally the complete strategy behind it. Now let's talk about kind of a little bit more why this strategy works. And I know it's simple, guys. I know it's simple, but keep it simple and I promise it will work. And here's why I know this works and why it will continue to work, okay? Because number one, it is a proven strategy, okay? I'm not the only one doing this. If you're seeing me right now, you've probably seen other videos on YouTube, people talking about affiliate marketing. They are doing the exact same thing, okay? Especially if you're getting started on TikTok and you're using if you're starting affiliate marketing and you're using TikTok as your main source of traffic, you've probably seen dozens of videos of people doing almost the exact same thing, talking about the 15-day challenge, talking about the 3-day challenge, okay? Talking about these different programs. There's a reason. It is proven. This strategy works. And again, I've seen dozens of creators go from nothing, brand new, utilizing this strategy and the power of TikTok to grow their affiliate business from 0 to 6 figures in a very short amount of time, literally less than a year for dozens and dozens of creators. I've seen hundreds, if not thousands of creators in 2021 alone get started with this exact same strategy, and they're getting their first commissions in literally 24, 48 hours. The first week, they're getting high ticket commissions in their first month. It's absolutely insane if you just keep it simple, okay? And you do this and you execute on this strategy here, okay? And the other key thing I want to share with you guys on this strategy and behind why it works a little bit more is because people have this misconception in affiliate marketing. They think you need to be promoting this offer over here, then this offer over here, and another offer here, and as many offers. That's how we create more income streams. It's not true. You create more by doing less. Again, when you find a company like the 15-day challenge to partner with, you focus on promoting one thing, okay? So now you're gonna drastically cut your time. You're not gonna have to split your time between this offer and this one. You're gonna focus on one thing. And then on the back end, in the training, the things that they teach, they have other offers built in, okay? So for example, you're in the affiliate marketing space. Okay, what are 2 things that I'm always talking about that you need in affiliate marketing? You need an email autoresponder and you need a funnel builder, okay? Those are 2 pieces of software. They are absolute musts to have success in affiliate marketing in 2022, okay? So as affiliate marketers, we're gonna partner with those companies and we're gonna be affiliates for those. So now we can teach people how to use those, right? And when they have success, they sign up for a monthly subscription with these companies to learn how to do this stuff, to learn how to do the email marketing, to learn how to do the funnel creation. And when they have success with it, they're paying monthly and we're getting paid monthly, okay? So understand, that's 2 pieces of software. So right now, you're gonna be an affiliate for one program. On the back end, you're gonna be an affiliate for those 2 pieces of software, which that program also teaches on and gives you the opportunity to use your affiliate links, okay? So now from that, you're creating 3 streams of income from doing one thing, okay? It's not about promoting all kinds of different offers. It's about promoting one offer and how can we make that one offer do multiple things for us, multiple things for our business, okay? Not only that, but they have an amazing sales funnel, which you're gonna learn about all that stuff when you get started with that 15-day challenge, okay? With the link in the description, you're gonna learn about what a sales funnel is, why it's so powerful, how it works, and why it's needed to grow your affiliate marketing business, okay? And speaking of that, Here's where the passive income comes in, okay? Another buzzword that you hear in the affiliate marketing space is passive income, and people will tell you, oh, you can't really create passive income, okay? Listen, this is how you create the passive income is by partnering with a single company like this. You do the work one time, you get them in the door, somebody goes down their sales funnel, they purchase the challenge, maybe they join a monthly subscription product too from that sales funnel. Maybe they do $100 upsell, okay? They have company offers multiple pieces of training. You get them in the door one time in that 15-day challenge, you are tagged to that customer for life. So now they upgrade to a different product 10 days down the road. You get paid again. They upgrade to a different product 6 months down the road. You get paid again. They decide they want to go to a mastermind at Christmas time of next year. You get a high ticket commission again off of them, okay? You see how this works. So I have 11 different streams of income built into my affiliate marketing business by promoting one product, by doing exactly what I have told you guys to do in this video, okay? So there's a couple different companies who do really, really good that you can partner with to utilize this strategy and obviously be very effective with it. Again, if you're watching this video, you've heard me talk about the 15-day challenge. I think they offer the best training out there. Again, it's the company that helped me connect the dots, go from struggling for 3+ years trying to make my first dollar online to literally launching my first affiliate offer and getting sales within the first 24 hours, okay? So understand, they help me connect the dots. Again, I've seen countless other entrepreneurs get started with that same training. 15-day challenge, great training to get started with. Again, it's linked in the bio if you want to go check that out. Some other great products out there. Again, I'm not going to get too far down into this, but Jonathan Montoya has a 3-day challenge, teaches affiliate marketing. Very similar concept with him and his product. He's one of the mentors of mine. Again, Jeff Lerner has a product, Entree Institute, kind of does the same thing. Again, those are ones that you can go check out. But again, my top recommendation, 100%, is that legendary 15-day challenge. Again, check that out down below. And we'll go ahead. We will wrap up this video, guys. If you liked it, please go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button. Never miss another video from me. We got more strategy stuff coming. We're really increasing the volume on YouTube. Hopefully drop a ton of value for you guys multiple times a week, every single week in 2022 to help you guys grow on TikTok, to help you guys grow your affiliate marketing businesses, grow your side hustles, and ultimately grow your wealth and create more freedom in your lives. I appreciate you guys. And again, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I would really, really appreciate it. Hit the like button. I love you guys. I'm out.